Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Paint 3D app not opening error. So guys, if you are not able to create a new document in Microsoft Paint 3D, so just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Now guys, you have to type two command line one by one. I will give in description, so copy and paste here. So click the stop bar, edit and paste. Now once you see this command work successfully, so copy and paste the second command, then press enter, and after that close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Microsoft Paint 3D app not opening error. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.